Hello. In this video, I will introduce you to the NIOS 2 software build tools for Eclipse. Before we begin, you need to download the LT24 folder for the touchscreen module. You can get this from the website lt24.thoracic.com. The folder contains important information about the touchscreen module. It also has demonstrations for the Painter program. Our work will be based on this Painter program, and I am currently working on the D0 Nano board, so I will be needing this folder. I will start the Eclipse development environment. Okay, so this is an integrated development environment. We use this tool to build applications for our NIOS 2 based hardware system. The hardware is already built for us. Thoracic built the hardware for the Paint program, and we will use that. It has a NIOS 2 processor, also the LT24 touch screen and LCD, and the interfaces needed for that. It is also connected to the LEDs, switches, keys. Now we need to first import the project. So we locate our folder, which is the DE0 Nano. You just need to select the main folder, and two folders will appear. You need to import both those, the LT24 test and the LT24 test BSP. BSP stands for Board Support Package. This folder contains all the commands that are needed to communicate with the hardware. We will be working mainly with the LT24 test. The functions in the LT24 test, our application, actually need the ones that are in the board support package. These are just lower level commands. So before we run our program, of course, we need to download the hardware file. So we use the Quartus 2 programmer. We find the .sof file. And we program the device. And in order to run the application, which has already been built, of course, you right-click on the LT24 test folder, run as NIOS 2 hardware. And it should begin to download now. So here it shows that the touch screen has been initialized, and as I draw on the drawing area of the Paint program, coordinates will appear. We can use the functions that are in these folders here. The graphics library contains functions to send commands to the LCD, draws objects, displays graphics, and sends text also, displays text. We also have the Thoracic library, which has functions that address the touch screen. You can modify the main. Of course, there's a main SNEC program. You can modify this into any application.